Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer TD Bank app login and secure messages step by step clearly. To transfer your TD Bank app login and secure messages, start by opening the TD Bank app on your device. Log in using your current credentials. Once you are logged in, locate the menu icon, typically found at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the menu icon to expand the options available to you. Scroll down and select the Settings option from the list. In the Settings menu, find the Security section. Within the Security settings, look for the Secure Messages option. Tap on Secure Messages to access your existing messages. To transfer messages, you may need to select an option to export or download this information. Follow the prompts to save your secure messages to your device. Next, go back to the main Settings menu. Look for the option that allows you to manage your login information. Tap on Login Information to initiate the transfer process. Enter your new login credentials as required. Confirm your new login details to ensure they are correct. After confirming, the app may prompt you to log out and log back in with your new information. Once logged in with your new credentials, check for any messages that were transferred. Access the Secure Messages section again to verify that your messages are intact. If everything looks good, you have successfully transferred your TD Bank app login and secure messages. Finally, remember to securely store any download files or information for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.